You are watching the proverb, Kukban hangs them, Kauti I seeing, an empty barrel makes the loudest noise. Thang rank you too. This proverb criticizes those with little knowledge but who like to show off and boast. Kauti I seeing nay, fa fan nam, e hyobidation, achip han lethich, kokon, koak lack. It reminds us that, in life, being boastful, without true understanding leads to arrogance, stubbornness, and a refusal to change. No nik na chung ta, rang trom kwak san, asesko koma, view hyobit that ss, sndnt tinti cow, both a, can't chu, gmgi. We should avoid being like an empty barrel, making loud noises, and instead cultivate humility and continuous learning. Chung ta sian en tranturk, than thang rank you2, they vow kofikium, tun valuan hcc high. Thank you for watching video. See him in GZM video.